So I was trying to start the car because I thought my project was finally done, and fuel pump won't go on. Fucking disconnected right here, and it's not shooting out any fuel. So I thought it was the relay. This is the one I replaced the relay. Still nothing. Still. First step is to remove these. There's 4 of them, and then this will come out. It's gonna look like that though, so you're gonna have to pull that out. And these were connected like this. Next step, after you obviously remove this, you're gonna remove these hoses. The big one obviously goes here, small one obviously right here, and you're gonna have these connectors. Just remove them. White one first, then the black one, and it's gonna look like this. This shit is kind of hard to take off. You're gonna have to twist it like that. It's not gonna be that easy. The way I did it was with this flathead and this hammer. You're gonna wanna go like that, hold it right there, and then this back side, go like this and remove it. After you remove that, this pretty much pulls out, straight out. Just be careful not to fuck anything up, taking it out.
Moved it, and look at this. Look at the fucking filter. It's pulling everything in. This the new one right here. The filter's on. You just pretty much push it in. And it's solid. Come out. Try to put it in. Like, it goes like that. After it's in all the way, you can now put that's gonna be your power. The back's gonna be the ground. Now that that's all on, I think it fits in good. It's tucked in. Put the cap back on. Make sure it's seated all the way. This shit's not even grabbing. Kind of a bitch.